So guys, I got this Honda Pilot in the shop. This is a 2017. The transmission is no good. Now, I have not seen the fluid yet because this trans doesn't have a dipstick. So I figured I would pick you guys up for a video because we might be in for a surprise. The trans is actually making noise and stuff. So I'm sure the fluid's probably pretty disgusting. Just see what it looks. Oh yeah. Yep. It is pretty black. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't look terrible, but it's definitely pretty dark. I mean, definitely not good. Now, I think what failed on this was like the converter, something internally, but it's definitely making noise. So, yep, swapping her out. This is one hell of a job, guys. It's like 12 hours of labor. Definitely sucks. New one's over there. Pick you guys up once I get it back in and running and driving again.